Hi. Hi. Come on, I'm talking to you now. Hello? Come on, let me tell you, it is disrespectful and, insulting for you not to answer me. For you to ignore me, it doesn't make sense. Hello? Hi. Come on, okay, see, all I want to do is just to take you down to your destination. That's if you don't mind.
Eh? Ogene, why you worry my life? I don't blame you now. Because you carry can and I carry leg. You don't see me finish. Now I see finish, now in the bend crayfish. I don't blame you.
I'm not worrying you. I'm not telling you. See, come on. Hey. Oh, it's disrespectful for you to ignore me. I'm just talking to you, alright? God. Come, why do you have to do that? Alright, fine. Okay, let me just give you a right.
Why do they worry me? You never seen woman before.
Not that you're just different. Okay, let me just give you a right. That's all I ask.
That's what you do.
No, I don't. Just a right.
See, you go see woman they work for you. They just carry and they go your house. That's what they do.
Come, I just want to drop you at your
Some
destiny.
people don't get handwork again. You could just wake up for money. Carry motor, they work out for road, they find a way to carry go house.
No, alright, see, you're different, okay? I just want to drop you wherever you're going to. That's if you don't mind, like I said.
You know the shame.
See.
You know the shame.
Okay, fine. Look at what you did to me, alright? Okay, we're not friends, alright? Okay, let me just drop you off. Wherever you're going to. Come.
Why they drag me?
Sorry. Okay, see.
They drag me?
No. Let me just drop you wherever you're going to. Alright, to your destination. Come on, please. We're friends now. Okay? I'll do it for your friend. Let me just do it for you. Alright? Come on.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Sorry. Come on.
No.
Sorry. Come on. Come on. I'm sorry. Okay?
I'm going to be power talk with you. I love the pity.
I understand.
Like Peter, the pity, the entire into nonsense car.
I understand. Just go in. Hop in.
They speak English.
Where?
I don't reach where they do.
Where are you going to?
Mortuary.
Mortuary?
Mortuary.
What are you doing there?
Now where are they staying with?
Where?
Now my house be there.
Oh, sorry, please. Please, I'm begging you, please do not kill me. Are you there now? Please do not kill me. Jesus. Please, I beg you. Please, just jump. Please, I'm sorry. Please, mortuary. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Yo, my God. I used to say one job. What is in our mortuary?
Spiritual, physical. Ejiramwa is good to God, but spiritual, physical.
Emeka was involved in an accident. I just received a phone call now. He has been rushed to the hospital.
Which hospital? Where?
Daddy, please.
Get my car key. Let's go there. Get my key. Doctor,
My son was admitted in this hospital. He had an accident.
Oh, you're the father of the accident victim?
Yes.
Okay. We have a very serious situation at hand.
What?
Your son lost a lot of blood due to the excessive bleeding. And as a result of that, he needs to undergo an urgent blood transfusion.
Okay, so how do we do that?
We have enough blood in our bank.
Okay.
And so we can always get him blood from there. Except you have a donor who matches with this blood group.
Yes, my daughter can donate for him. They have the same blood group.
Okay, that's fine. But you need to make an initial deposit.
Of how much?
Say about 100,000.
Where do I do that? Let's do that immediately.
Okay, let me show you.
Okay.
Sorry.
How are you, Omega? Fine. You okay? It's okay. I just want to rush to a meeting. I'll be back before night call. Gina,
Daddy.
take care of your brother.
I will. Daddy, please be careful.
Take care of him. I will. Okay?
Okay, Daddy.
I'll be back soon.
I'm sorry. Let me. What would you like to eat?
I'm not hungry, but rice and stew, probably.
Rice and stew. I'll add vegetable.
Better.
Please take care of yourself, huh? I'll be back shortly. Your phone is right beside you.
Ejira, the mortuary attendant here. Her job is her number one thing. She not the shame at all for her work. What man can do, she can do better. Ejira is good to go, but spiritual and physical. Igamayaka, Ejira is good to go, but spiritual and physical. Igamayaka. She dey see spirit, beautiful damsel, mortuary attendant, what a strong girl,
Panuku, wetin carry you come outside here? Eh? Now these are two left legs. And waiting carry you go where you don't know. They kill you there. They carry your body come here now. You know what? Still rest. Eh? You never tired to the waka. Ngwa, inside. Come on, go inside also. They go inside. Yeah, come on, get inside also. Yeah, this one man. If I see your hand here, eh? If I see your hand.
The mortuary attendant, her job is her number one thing. She not the shame at all for her work. What man can do, she can do better. Ejirawa is good to go, but spiritual and physical. Igamayaka, Ejirawa is good to go, but spiritual and physical. Igamayaka, Ejirawa. She dey see spirit, beautiful damsel, Ejirawa. Mortuary attendant, what a strong girl, Ejirawa. Spirit is afraid of you. are you doing with an ambulance?
I drive, I drive him now. What is that I drive him come?
You drive an ambulance?
Mama, I beg, leave that talk. I dey hungry. Food day. I beg, give me food. I dey hungry. Mama, come give me food, I beg.
Yeah? It wasn't? Is there cops?
The great did you summoned me.
Go and make your bed. It is time to go to sleep.
I am confused. Make it plain so that I can understand.
You asked to be a great man years ago. A great man you become. A great man you shall die.
I'm still confused.
I talked about a call years ago. A call I describe as ultimate prize.
Thank you, wise one. I will forever remain grateful for this wealth you have offered me. What can I give in appreciation?
The call.
What call?
The ultimate prize in years to come. That call you must answer. That will mark the end of this beginning. That debt you must pay.
Wise one. Are you saying that I'm going to die?
Very soon. But one thing, you must not be deposited in the morgue.
Wise one. Is this not coming too quick? There's nothing I can do to extend my lifespan.
Every man has his call. Your call you must answer. Go. Go.
Ada! Come on, stand there, so. You don't grow wings now. Why they fly? Nowhere they enter you again.
Hey, Jiro, wetin dey bring this talk now?
Waiting you and your friend use me to talk. Because I see you as they pass. When they point to my mirror, I see from my side mirror, they see you now. When they point at me. Waiting when they talk.
Side mirror of wetin? Ambulance. Which girl dey drive ambulance enter village? Wetin make you carry ambulance enter village? Person die for your family.
Adak, no be Adak of yesterday be this. And they talk, you they follow me, they exchange words. You they ask me question. Eh? Waiting concern you, concern ambulance what I carry. How you take it be your business? Waiting make you they put mouth for my business.
Abeg, I know say no be my business, but people wey follow gossip, na people wey get papa, people wey know who their father be. I know they follow who no know your father talk.
Welcome, bro.
I'm not your fucking bro, nigga!
Let that sink. As a matter of fact, I'm disappointed. I wish this took your fucking life. That would have been the best gift ever. Nonsense. You wish me dead. You wish I was dead. On the contrary, I wish you worse.
Nothing goes for nothing in this world. Everything has a price. You must answer this call, the ultimate price. You must pay.
My husband, you're welcome. What is the problem this time?
Mama! Mama!
What is it? Mama? Who has provoked you? This question I want to ask you now, eh? And the last time I will go ask you this question be this.
Who look for your trouble? What is the matter?
Who be my papa? Now who born me? Mama, who do you the kerewa that led to my birth? Now who?
Ichiro, we have talked about this thing severally and I thought we decided to forget about it. Eh?
Mama, no, they follow me to do this one what you do now. If you don't answer this thing what I ask you now, eh? If you don't tell me what I want here, I will come up for this house and you no go ever see me again. Mama, you no go see me again.
Don't be talking like this. We've discussed this thing severally years back and we decided to bury the issue. Forget about it, it's buried. We're fine as we are we not? We're good.
Eh. Okay. Oh, well.
Ichiro, you need to forget some things. You need to forget some things. Ejiro, where are you going? Ejiro, wait now. Ejiro, it hasn't gotten to this now. Ejiro, wait. Ejiro, listen, open the door. Ejiro, wind down. Ejiro, wind down now. Tell me that Ejiro.
Whether you know like it, you must answer my call. Whether you like it, whether you know like it, answer my call.
My husband, you have refused to say a word to anyone since you came back. What is the problem?
Woman, go back to your room. I'll be fine.
I am your wife. Don't I deserve to be...
I said go back to your room. I will be fine. Get out of here.
He hasn't been himself since yesterday. I woke up this morning and met him sleeping in the living room.
What could be the problem, Mom?
What else? If not the condition of his favorite son, Emeka. I'm sure that shit has got him psychologically messed up.
Why is he even so attached to Emeka and his sister?
Because he is yet to get over the sudden death of their late mother.
Does it mean you mean nothing to him?
I'm not even bothered about how he feels or how much he values me. I'm just waiting for the right time to strike.
Waiting for the right time to strike. Don't you think you're wasting too much time, Mother?
taking my time, okay? Don't worry.
The mortuary attendant, her job is her number one thing. She not dey shame at all for her work. What man can do, she can do better. Ejirawa is good to go, both spiritual and physical. Igamayaka, Ejirawa is good to go.
Oloso, where you think you dey go? Eh? Now Oloso where you do so that you die. I don't know whether na one Yahoo boy kill you. They bring you come here. You see not you never retire. You want to continue from this mortuary? You will not try it. Oh Ashi, get inside. Come see by him also. You see them look me. Come see me also. Idiot! You don't do as I want you die. You still don't want rest. See this girl, oh? Yeah? Yeah, this girl. If I see you outside here again.
By the way, when are you both getting married? What is holding you back? What is holding you back?
Mom, ask him.
You didn't just push that to me, did you? Well, Mom, the thing there is, we have a lot going on the ground. Okay. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how far we've gone.
I can't wait.
Of course, I know you can wait, but you have to wait.
It's all right.
Dad wants to see every member of his family in the living room. Side chicks are not inclusive.
And who do you refer to as side chick?
Of course, she knows herself. Someone has been dating a man for over how many years and nothing to show for it. Rubbish. Mom, did you just hear this silly girl talk to me like that?
You just called her silly, and that answers the question, okay? Come on! Don't be put off by mere words. She's just... okay? Calm down, okay? I'm coming.
The information I'm about to give you is as important as the air you all breathe. So it should be taken seriously. I don't want any of you to bother or ask questions about what I'm going to say now. When I die, or should I die in the nearest future, do not take my body to the morgue. I repeat, do not take my body to the mortuary. Deposit my body in the ground immediately. And proceed with the burial plan.
Father,
I said I don't want to entertain questions from anybody.
Why is he talking about death in the nearest future?
I wouldn't know, but I know something has been eating him up lately. Or maybe he is sick and doesn't want anyone to know about it.
Well, I'm sure Emeka knows everything.
Why did you say so?
Isn't it obvious, Mother? He keeps nothing away from him. He tells him virtually everything.
Oh, I doubt. We both saw the shock on his face when Chief broke the news.
Don't you think he may be pretending to be shocked?
I sincerely doubt. It doesn't seem like that on my own face.
You don't know how bad these people are.
I'm bothered.
About what Father said?
Doesn't it give you a cause to worry?
It does. But he has refused to share.
Then we have to go to him and we insist he must tell us what happened.
No. We all know how Father loves you, how much he loves you. So I think you will be in the place to get it out of him.
Alright then. I'll try my best. Let me just go see him. Okay. Are you alright?
I'm fine.
Daddy, you're crying.
I am fine.
No, Daddy, you're not fine. Daddy, what's going on? You got my brother and I scared down there. Daddy, remember you never keep secrets away from me. Daddy, talk to me. What's going on?
My love, this is something I cannot divulge. It's more than a secret. If I say anything, I will endanger the life of all of you. You all should be strong and start planning a way to live life without me.
Yeah, good day, ma. Sorry, are you the one that called me?
Called you. Did you call her too?
Sorry, I'm the one that brought my late cousin, Okaro.
Oh. Now you bring Kari come here.
Yeah, yes,
now you bring that Ashawo come for this place.
Yes, madam, any problem?
Okay. This is what I won't tell you now. Don't be say I won't tell you. But I go tell you now, make you hear.
Okay.
You know say na Ashawo, na wetin your sister dey do before she die.
Please, madam, what do you mean? I don't understand.
What do you mean by what do you mean? You don't understand. Your sister na Ashawo kill am. Now why I call you for here now?
Please, how are you sure about what you're saying? Why are you telling me?
Okay. I dey tell you now, make you know. Because this your sister, she no wan retire. You go carry and keep here. The next thing you go see am for wear makeup dey. Wetin she dey find for there? Eh? I don tire. Your sister no wan retire.
Please, young woman, can you just have a little respect for the dead? They don't speak ill about the dead. Please, watch your mouth so that you don't get yourself into trouble.
Into which trouble? Where be say na me dey manage them? Na me be the manager for this place. I don tire for this your sister matter o. Na Olosho she dey do, she die. Come much what they still dey do Olosho. You don reach 5 months. 5 months for here. We no wan bury her. I dey tell you now because next time when you go come here, this your Olosho sister. Na outside you go see her. She don dey do Olosho till she die. Come this mortuary. She still no wan stop. She no wan retire. I don dey tell you now, you no wan hear. You no wan hear because say you wear glass like weather people. You don wear black spec now like weather. Na see finish na him bend crayfish. And na wetin I dey avoid so. I dey avoid see finish from you. They follow me, they talk because I carry her so what's the for you. Don't worry. Next time, where you go see her? Where you go see your sister? Na outside here. I go through where I come up for this much.
following me. She's following me around. She's following me. I saw her. What is it?
Father is sick. And he has refused to be taken to the hospital.
Why?
I don't know. His condition is very bad. He hardly breathes. But his eyes are still open.
And he doesn't want to go to the... Where is he?
In his room.
In his room. Let me see. He can die for all I care.
Shut up, son. You don't wish your father dead.
What's the essence of his presence?
His presence make you not fatherless. And that is already enough importance.
No. I'd rather be fatherless than have a father like him. And Mom, I think you should do the same because he has not been a good husband.
I know, but I can never wish him dead. I can't.
Dad!
Just wake up. Just wake up.
As we cry and mourn the demise of our father, we should also plan on honoring his dying wish. So our dear beloved father will be buried today to fulfill his dying wish. His wish that he must be buried, put on the ground, the very day he dies. And so I urge you all of us, that we should put hands on deck and make sure we give our father a befitting burial. That's it. Nice speech. Thanks, bro. Very nice speech. Let it be known before God and man that I will not stand before the dying wish of our late father. For as long as the right thing is done, I do not have a problem.
And what's the right thing you're talking about?
His will. It must be read before father is buried. Excuse you. Quite excused. Nothing. You mean the will must be read before our beloved father will be buried? Exactly, brother. Exactly.
And what does that have to do with Dad's burial?
Good question. Very good question. There will be no burial if the will favors your brother. You know me very well. My name, I am still Matoto, aka Donwani. As they play, in the show. Call the lawyer to read the will. Else,
There will be no burial in this house today. I know they talk too much.
There is no way we can bury father without his support.
And there's no way we will not bury father because he refuses to give his support.
And that is why we need to find a way out. We need to find another solution.
So, what are we expected to do?
Well, you know we do not have so many options.
I don't understand. Are you trying to give in to his demand? Okay, fine. Then call the lawyer.
I already done that. I already called the lawyer. He's on his way.
You did? Okay. Seems you have forgotten that that boy is your younger brother. Excuse me. Madam, go and tell your useless son that we are waiting. Shut up. You two, shut up. Yes. Don't tell me shut up.
Come on, will you keep quiet there? How do you make noise? You follow my woman talking now. Like you won't collect. How far? I don't show. Proceed.
Martins, please kindly apologize to this house for keeping us waiting.
Who they can? My guy, you have to wait till the end of the world for that to happen. Yes! Read that will.
Barrister, please proceed.
It's alright. Your father left me with 2 documented files before his demise. As you can see, these are the 2 documented files. One contains an instruction on how to open the second one.
Go ahead now. Why are you giving us all this dead man stale? Go ahead and read the will so that we'll know what is in there.
Martins, you're being rude.
My guy, my guy. I wasn't talking to you, so just keep quiet and mind your business. Oga, read the will.
Empty vessel.
It's okay. It's okay. I read. On this day, 11th of October, 2011, I handed this note over to my lawyer, Barrister Ken Igwilo, to be read before my family when I leave the earth. I hereby instruct that my will shall be read 7 days after my burial. This directive must be adhered to and shouldn't meet any opposition.
You say?
I don't get it. I don't know if my ears is spinning. What?
7 what?
What do you talk? My guy, why do you like lying? Why are you such a liar? Is it because you're a lawyer? Why are you lying like this now?
Excuse me, I do not have any reason to lie.
Okay, you have every reason to do that. Are you mad? You have every reason to do that. Listen, my father's will must be read before he's buried.
Yes.
Unless I die! Will you bury my father before the will is read? There is no burial in this house until that will is read. Now me, Matoto, aka Don Wani, Putagwa must rugged na in the cap. Nobody goes. Oga, read that will now. Go carry me, please.
Martins, I think I have given you enough privilege, and you are beginning to abuse that privilege that I gave to you. I am the first son of Chief Peters, and that makes me the head of this family in absence of our father. So I want you to listen, and listen very good. Every decision and every will of our late father must be kept including that of burying him today.
Yes. Oga, you see that first song saga? Now I need. Now me talk am. Go check am. My guy, read that will now. I say, read that will now before I scatter everywhere. Read that will now.
I would do no such thing.
You said? Eh?
What do you talk? My honor.
Useless son. Shut up like
there.
mother like
Shut
son.
up there.
Shut up!
Why can't you agree to be one?
What are we going to do now? Martins will do everything to stop us.
No. Martins cannot stop us. This man lying down here made a wish. And that wish we must keep. Excuse me.
Where are you going?
To get this coffee. And also mobilize people that will dig the grave.
Okay, you have to hurry. We need to put him on the ground before sun falls. Please.
What is going on? Why are you fighting each other? Hello, why are you dragging? Why can't you agree to be one? Hello, what is going on? Why are you fighting
What are you saying of?
I can't find him.
You can't find him since when?
I don't know. I can't
Where
find
have you
Father
checked? Where's father?
I don't know. A few minutes after you left, I only went to my room to freshen up, and then I came back here. I didn't see him again.
And where is Martins?
I have not seen him.
Martins! Martins!
When they come carry the corpse?
I don't know for now. I don't know.
Okay, no wala. You can follow me go inside now. Make a register am, then give you tally wey you use check on him.
Inside? Okay, let's go.
Martins! Where's Martins?
Do I look like his keeper?
But you are his mother. So you should know where your son is.
And if I say I don't?
Then you will be the greatest liar of the century.
Did you just call me a liar to my face, you bastard?
Tell your son. Tell your son whenever he returns that he should get our father's body back to this house for the burial. If he doesn't, if Martins doesn't, he will see the other side of me that no one has ever seen.
Did you just hear what he said?
Nonsense.
Where is our father's corpse? Where is our father's corpse?
Between the soul, right? What kind of question is that? Are you supposed to be asking me that question? Do I look dead to you? Why are you asking me about the dead?
Well, because you're the only one against our father's dying wish. And now our father's corpse is missing. Where is our father's corpse?
Are you sure father didn't get tired of lying on that bed? Oh God. And decided to sort himself out? Yes. Or maybe he has gone to bury himself. Is that why you two are like this? Come on, you know father. Huh? You know how father is now. Please, next time, don't stop me like that. Don't stop my music like that. Eh, Emeka? Unless you want trouble.
You will have to deal with me first. You will have to deal with me first.
Where is our father's corpse? Muffins.
Ha! Don't worry. Hey. Don't worry, don't suffer, Sha. I will let this slide because you're a woman.
You cannot do anything. Guy, you not fit do anything.
No shaking. Eh? No shaking. Block my room.
I block you. I block you. Not for anywhere I always beat you. You know I beat you all. I told you I will punch this thing. You will kill somebody. You will kill somebody.
Today is gone. Father's corpse is nowhere to be found.
Wherever our father is, I know he will be disappointed in me for not fulfilling his dying wish.
I feel so terrible. I blame father for all this. If he hadn't married second wife, all this wouldn't be happening. You and I would have just buried him peacefully.
Wherever father is, I pray he have an everlasting rest in peace and not a disappointing one.
Bro, Martins needs to be cautioned. He's doing too much. You need to do something about this.
Martins is a case. Martins is a headache.
What will happen for this mortuary? Who do this thing for this place? Who do it? this man dey try me. I know say that you dey try me. So your plan na to occupy this place wey dey here. You wan make only you stay for this place. Eh? As na you bring this mortuary. Now make I warn you. Make I warn you for the last time. If you try this nonsense again, if you use me play again, wetin I go do you? You no go like am. I ask you, Ababo, now you bring this mortuary. Foolish man, you're a big man. Now for your house, not be for here. Because if you try me, idiot.
To be a great man, no be wahala at all, but na the consequence where they follow.
Baby, what is it?
Hey!
You were screaming.
So it was a dream. Hey! It was a dream, thank God. Hey!
Was it a bad dream?
A very bad dream. This man wants to kill me. A very bad dream. When did you come?
Not quite long. Mom said you were taking a nap, so I came to check on you.
God. Where is she?
In the living room. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Did he say anything to you?
No. He was just seated behind me, moping.
Could he be upset?
Upset about what exactly?
Upset about the fact that you hijacked his corpse.
You idiot! You stole my father's corpse!
Point of correction. Our Father.
What's that your name again? Now tell me, what joy do you derive in being at the wrong side of things?
I derive joy. Fighting for my rights. Your four people should know that.
I see. You're just greedy and you're insecure.
Well, I do not care about your opinion or anyone else. So just get the hell out of here.
You know what? I will just wait for my brother to return and I will tell him that you stole my father's corpse.
You better get the hell out of my sight before I make sure he meets your corpse upon his return.
I'm fidgeting. Come on, get out. Nonsense. Idiot. Out you.
Please, ignore her, okay? Just ignore her, okay? Maybe your father is not happy. Yes.
Neither am I, Mother.
for sweet. Why you dey run now? Wetin make you dey run?
Why are you following me? Huh? Why are you following me? You're dead. Why are you following me?
So I resemble that person for your eye. You dey crazy.
Why would I be scared? The last time I carried you, you told me that you're living in the mortuary. So that means you're dead.
So now why you dey run like Choma Ajonwa? Okay, I no get word for you. Come on here. This place is they very dangerous.
Ah.
Come on here before people get here, I catch you.
Please. Auntie, please. Please. I'm sorry. I know you're dead, but how can I get a mechanic around, please? My car can't start. It won't start. Please.
You ask me a question.
Please.
First, wait. Come here. You ask me mechanic. What's happened? What's happened to the car?
I don't know. I was just coming and the car started jerking and it stopped. Please, where can I find the mechanic? Don't touch it! What?
I will slap you.
Sorry.
I will slap you now.
Sorry. Oh, please, I just changed the oil.
Okay, enter the car.
Huh? Huh?
I said make you enter the car, you say, eh?
I'm inside the car. Huh? I'm inside the car.
Start them.
Huh?
Start them.
Okay. What did you touch? Huh? What did you touch?
Oh, I heard I touch.
So you're a mechanic? Mortuary person and a mechanic. Wait. Don't go yet. Let me off it and start it again and see if it will come on, please, before you go. Eh? Hold on, please. It started. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay? Thank you very much. So please. I would like to know you better. Okay? Not for anything. Please.
So, why are you working as a mortuary attendant?
Check question me that one. What you want make I dey do? You want make I dey thief?
No.
You want make I dey do a show work?
No.
Na same una go still complain say I no dey like woman wey dey depend on man.
I'm sorry.
Why you ask me now?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way. I didn't mean it that way at all.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm really sorry. I didn't know you were going to perceive it like that. Alright, I'm sorry. It's just that it is not conducive for a lady to be working as a mortuary attendant.
Okay, see, if you don't want to drink this drink, please, I go leave am dey go house.
No,
If you don't want to drink am,
I am sorry.
I go leave am dey go now.
Sorry.
Why you dey worry now? I no dey complain, not me dey do the work.
It's okay, just drink. You know, I almost lost my life the first day we met. Yeah, I almost lost my life.
What's happened? Why?
Actually, I had an accident, anxiety. It was like I was seeing ghosts and things from the rear mirror. When you told me that that's a mortuary and that's where you live, I started imagining things. It was really scary that day. But it's fine.
What I do? Sorry.
It's okay. It's alright.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ejiro, the mortuary attendant, yeah. Her job is her number one thing. She not dey shame at all for her work. Oh. What man can do, she can do better. Oh. Ejiro is good to go, both spiritual and physical. Igamayaka, Ejiro is good to go, both spiritual and physical.
So, how your family? How did they? Did they follow you to stay for this place?
Yeah.
Beautiful damsel, Ejiro. Mortuary attendant.
Martins is in possession of father's corpse.
And how are you sure?
I heard them talking about it.
You did what?
I heard them talking about it.
Martins! Martins! You denied ever having anything to do with our father's corpse. Whereas you stole father's corpse. You stole our father's corpse. Where is our father's corpse?
You see, let me put it straight to your face. I stole father's corpse, and I'm not going to bring it out until father's will is read.
Now you don't dictate to this family. You don't dictate what happens in this family, because I am the first son of this family and the first son of my father.
You keep bragging about your position. Like I care. Omo, send. Guy, call the lawyer to read father's will. Else, father's corpse, MIA, missing in action. Who did check him?
Martins, since you have decided not to be, responsible, I will treat you like a common criminal that you are.
Yes.
Normally now common criminal like this.
Look at that cheap slut. Who
Leave
will
her
marry
alone.
into this house?
Get out.
Come on, get out. Who will
Get
marry
out.
into this house? They will date you for 100.
They believe them. Nonsense. So silly.
If don't say this guy na my brother.
What the hell on you? I'm not worried. You the press? I want you, I don't want you. Then he said, if you be big man of your house, come for this mortuary. Try me again. Try me again. What will do you? What will do this apartment? Try me again.
Where did he go to?
Mommy, you worry too much. I don't care where he went to. He's just a mad dog that barks too much. He can't do anything.
I don't know why I feel he's up to something this time. Yes. The manner he left was scary.
Which manner? He has left like that a million times and still did nothing. He came back and did nothing. I'm not bothered. I don't know why you're stressing yourselves. Mommy? Hello? All right, I'm coming there now. Now.
Oh, what is it? What happened?
Babe, where are you going to?
What happened? Tell me.
I will be right back.
Are you sure?
Babe.
Yes, I will.
Babe.
Emeka, what is the meaning of this? Emeka, what is the meaning of this?
Where is your son?
You have no business with my son.
Officer, go into that room. The second by your right, that's his room. Bring him out.
Officer.
Oga, check under the bed though. That boy is a criminal. Nonsense. Look at them.
Emeka, what is it? Has it gotten to this?
Officer.
Can't find anyone in India.
You can't find him. He's a criminal. Arrest both of them.
Yes.
Arrest both of them.
Oga, arrest them.
Emeka, have you lost it?
Not going anywhere.
No. Don't worry. Maybe by the time you get there, by the time you spend days in jail,
yes,
your son will definitely come out from his hideout. Take them away.
Madam,
This one.
I'm not going anywhere.
can we go?
Officer, I am not going anywhere with you.
Officer,
please.
Shoot their leg!
Don't touch me, oh. Don't just touch me. I'm not going anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere.
Officer,
Okay,
take them away.
Shoot their leg!
I said I am not going anywhere.
I said
What
move!
is my crime?
Do you want me to force you?
Get inside you. You will pay for it. Shut up. You will pay. It's good for both of you.
Let's go, let's go.
Go and sleep in jail.
I said move!
I'm going. Don't worry.
Just go. Go. Oh yeah, leave my house.
People should go! Move!
My dog's go. Come and leave this place. No. Oh, just shoot their leg. Don't worry. Oh yeah. Come and get out. You will pay. Shoot their leg. Shoot their leg. Nonsense. Yes. That's my brother. How you act like a real man? Oh yeah, shoot their leg.
No be the second time when they try this kind thing in one day. Make una warn am o. Make una come carry this man because next time when go try this kind thing, I go throw away and come off for outside.
Hey, there'll be no need for that. All right? As a matter of fact, I can add extra money if you don't mind.
You dey craze. Which kind still finish with that one? So because you see me, I wear this uniform. It's inside I dey beg you for food. You dey mad? I tell you say I dey hungry. No be money matter. What are you saying? Oga, you people should come and appease this man. Because in spirit they vex. If you don't know how I want to do am, I can't do am.
It's all right. I've heard what you've said. Okay? I will do as you suggested.
The earlier the better. I don't tell you finish.
It's all right. Don't worry. Hello? What? Which police station?
What nonsense?
Where is my mother and my fiancé? Your mother and your so-called fiancé are serving your jail term. If you want them to come out, then turn yourself in. Emeka, I will ask you for the last time. Where is my mother and my fiancé serving your jail time? You never had? You never had? Wait! Oh! Stop it! Leave me alone!
You need to free them.
My father's dying wish was not met because of that small boy.
And that wish can never be met any longer. As the first child, you need to allow peace coexist. That is the only solution to this problem.
But he's making things impossible for me. He's not being reasonable at all.
I know. There's a reason why God made you first. You need to use your wisdom. I beg you. Go to the police and tell them to release his mother and sister. Please. Please.
That's all right, barrister. I've heard you. I'll do just that.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. I'll be on my way now.
All right. Safe.
Why can't you agree to be one?
Okay, Andrew. I want you to quit this job that you're doing.
Yeah. Quit with job.
The one
Make
you're
I come to
doing.
do wetin. I beg God, beg you. Leave me. So you won't find job for me now, so tomorrow night you go to say, now you make me. I beg.
Listen, I am not like that, okay? I just want you to start doing something, something good. Something befitting, okay? That's all. I'm not like all those guys.
Okay, I said I don't want them. Don't worry. You say I only talk now, go make me angry.
It's okay. It's okay. I know.
don't tell you now.
I know. I just don't want you to start feeling somehow. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. I'm really sorry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So,
You can't open your boot, my carry what's in my boot.
Just like that. You want to go just like that?
How you want me to make I take go? I use my head take water.
No, sorry. I was just asking.
Ha. Okay, I beg. Go open your boot, my go.
Yeah, please just close the door first. Please.
Okay, talk now, talk. Talk, my dear, go. I don't close the door.
Can I ask you for a favor?
If I need to do.
Okay, how about having lunch with me in my house this weekend? Okay, fine. The boat.
Ejiro, the mortuary attendant here. Her job is her number one thing. She know they shame at all for her work. What man can do, she can do better. Ejiro is good to go, both spiritual and physical. Igamayaka, Ejiro is good to go, both spiritual and physical. Igamayaka, Ejiro. She does see spirit, beautiful damsel, Ejiro. Mortuary attendant.
You see what?
Bro, what's What's up? Wait. Hold it first. Who is behind the heartwarming smile on my brother's face?
I found her.
You found who?
The one that gladdens my heart.
A girl?
Of course, a girl.
Whoa! So, who is she? And who is the person that is making you this excited during the time of our mourning?
Her name is Ejiro. Ejiro. Get to meet her very soon.
Okay, so tell me, when will I get to meet this angel of happiness?
Calm down.
Babe. I hope he's not running mad. What could be wrong with him?
Evil that men do lives with them.
Exactly, my brother. No peace for the wicked.
No peace at all.
Bro, don't let this one to spoil our conversation.
Just imagine.
Please, continue. Hey. Continue.
Fighting every day. Why can't we live together in peace? We are born to live together as one. What are we fighting for? Let's embrace peace and love one another. Stop calling for war. Let's embrace peace.
Did they see him?
Yes, they did. They were in the living room when he ran out screaming.
Where is he now?
He should be in his bedroom.
Please go and call him.
Okay,
Tell
Mom.
him I want to see him right now.
Okay, Mom. What's the problem?
You will not believe who I saw with Emeka right now.
Who?
So why are you not telling me the truth?
Which truth?
Why didn't you tell me that you know him? And how do you know him?
Carry cops come my mortuary.
Cops? What cops?
In Papa cops. Let's see how why they look me. You need to hurry to retrieve the corpse, else she will hand it over to them.
She will not dare. She will not dare.
You guys should just calm your nerves, okay? By the way, why are you keeping the corpse? Eh? Of what use is it to us?
I need to know the contents of that will before the corpse is buried.
Does it change anything? He's dead and gone. No one can effect change in that will in his absence. So I think we are just being enemies to ourselves by keeping the corpse away from them. Because the longer we keep the corpse, the longer the will remains unread.
So what are you saying in essence, Mom?
What I'm saying is that instead of fighting to keep the corpse away from them, we should just save the energy to fight if the will doesn't favor us.
I'm not saying we don't know each other now. Why they look at me like that?
Okay, so how are you going to help us now that you know? I need that corpse. My father's corpse, I need them. I seriously do need them. I need your help now. Yes. You need to help me.
Sorry, sir, I know if I help you. I know it.
Why? Why can't you? You just confirmed that our father's corpse is in the mortuary. Please help us.
I know just if I help you. No sure. The mortuary there under Nigerian hospital. And I ain't carry that corpse come there. I ain't sign him in. I ain't hold the tally. So now only him get right to sign and come up for that mortuary. If not, if he carry that hospital go court to and nothing go happen, go drag the hospital. I know get strength for a while, I beg.
Ejiro, is there nothing else you can do to help us? Please.
No, I like. I go try. I go see it. No, you relax. I said I go try. I know they promise you. I never promise you anything. Calm down.
What are we fighting for? Let's embrace peace and love one another. Stop calling for war.
Madam, you should have invited me to your house personally. You know I will come.
I want us to have a confidential conversation.
So my office is not good enough to have that conversation. So why call me out here?
Should I say maybe? But it's all for good.
Okay, I'm all ears.
Barrister, tell me what it would take for you to reveal the content of my husband's will and manipulate it if it doesn't favor my family.
Madam, this is against my profession, and you know I can lose my certificate to it.
Even when you stand a chance to benefit what you may never achieve in your entire life and career, and myself inclusive.
And what does that mean?
I can grace your bed if you don't mind. That is how far I can go.
You are such a desperate woman.
No, I am not. I am only trying to secure my son's future. Do we call it a deal?
You're getting yourselves all worked up. What are you looking for?
Have you seen that mortuary tally?
Not at all. Did you misplace it?
I kept it right here.
When last did you see it?
I saw it this morning when I was looking for my watch. It was right here. Yeah?
I said it, Emeka. I saw Emeka leaving this room a while ago. I am sure he's the one that took the tally.
Wait though. Are you telling me Emeka entered my room?
Yes, I saw him.
That boy won't die you.
I knew it.
Where is my father's corpse?
He dey inside.
I need to see him now.
Hello, where did Taliwa give you?
I forgot it at home.
Okay. Sorry, go ask him.
What do you mean? Don't you know me?
I know you. And I know your ass. You know far. Go collect and call.
I said I forgot the tally. I need to see my father now.
Not to raise your voice. You won't beat me during my work. No tally, no entry, Oga. Go and bring it. They shout. They shout.
It's alright, I'll be back.
If you like, be front. Foolish man.
Yeah, children no send you. Me be mother. She no send you at all. You must obey all her commands.
What did he say?
He said he will give it a second thought.
What offer did you make to him? Do you think it's good enough for him not to reject?
I made him the best offer I can make. If he turns it down, that means he is incorruptible.
So we should be hopeful he gives in.
It's more unlikely, but nothing is impossible. Let's just be hopeful.
Emeka! Emeka!
And Martins, why are you screaming my name?
Where is the tally?
Now, what tally are you talking about?
Don't even pretend you do not know what I'm talking about. Where is the fucking tally?
Isn't it obvious I don't know what you are talking about?
Emeka! Emeka! I am not here to exchange words with you. Hand over the tally now, else heaven will fall.
Let that heaven fall! Let it fall, Martins.
Mama, you have to eat more. You know you need to take your drugs.
No, I've had enough, please. I can take my medication later.
Mama, doesn't Jiro know about your condition?
No. I have not told her yet.
Why? Why will you be in such state and you didn't bother to tell your only daughter?
She said she doesn't ever want to see me again.
Why? Why would she say a thing like that?
It's a long story. A very long story.
I'm sorry about that, Mama. Well, is that the reason you didn't tell her about your health condition? I mean, do you want to die?
No. I don't want to die. I offended her. If I call her, what do I tell her?
Don't worry, Mama. I will call her. I'm going to call her myself, okay? Don't worry, please. Okay?
No.
What do you talk now? Madam, I know they hear you. Wait till they talk. Male. 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 Male.
So tell me, what do you think about my offer?
It's a good one. It's a good offer. Very tempting, I must say.
Should I take that as acceptance?
No. No. I can't go against my oaths. And I can't manipulate the will of Chief Peter. No, I will not do that.
Why are you being obstinate? Why?
I'm sorry if you see it that way, but I can't manipulate Chief Peter's will.
Please, barrister, should I see it first, even if you don't manipulate it for my good?
Madam, I would advise you to go home. Make peace in your home. Coexist. Make peace. At the day of the burial, or maybe immediately after the burial, I will come to the house and read Chief Peter's will the way it is. I will not change anything.
I regret wasting my whole time with you.
Well, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. May I take my leave now? Thank you.
Fighting every day. Why can't we live together in peace?
Let him bury your father, so that the will can be read.
I have a strong feeling that we will get little or nothing from that will, if read.
What if it happens to be the opposite?
It's unlikely to be the opposite, Mother. Are you forgetting Father hates us so much?
I know. But I still insist we should allow them bury him. When we hear the outcome of the will, we can push for a fight if we deem it not favorable.
Mom, I don't know what's going through your mind. But Father will not be buried until that will is read.
So if that happens, what do you benefit from keeping the corpse?
I will burn his corpse to ashes if he denies me my right.
My daughter, I know you're not happy with me. Whatever reason, I am sorry.
Mama, not be waiting carry me come here with this. Why you see me here now? Because I know they feel well. And once you well now, I don't zoom off. Not be waiting carry me come now with this.
I know what the problem is. I know how you feel because I didn't tell you about your biological father.
Mama, no they beg me. No they, what's be this one? No they beg me now. You know what you they do. You know one time what I want to know. So carry on for mind. No they pretend. You know what they do, Mama.
It's for your own good.
For my own good. Mama, not for your selfish interest. Each of you be or no be buri and no be corner anyegi. In fact, I don't even want here again. I don't want here, no they tell me. Carry on for mind. If not be see finish, waiting go make a fish bend. Now see finish now. Now see finish make a fish bend. You don't see me finish. Sorry for what? Why they beg you?
I couldn't find her.
Do you think something bad might have happened to her?
Something bad like?
Maybe Martins kidnapped her or something.
You have a...
Wait. Take it easy. You don't need to confront him. We need to give him little time and monitor his movements.
But you know delay is dangerous. What if he gets her and kills her?
I doubt. His only concern is how to get the cops.
You think so?
I believe so. Since you have the tally, why don't you go take the corpse for safety?
No, they won't let me take it. Yes, I have the tally. But Martins was the one that registered the corpse on the mortuary. So there is no way they're going to let me have custody without him.
Everything is just getting so complicated.
Yeah, everything is getting complicated, but I just pray that we don't get to pay the price.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah, go ahead.
Do you have any idea why Father said that when he dies, we should bury him that same day instead of taking him to the mortuary?
Initially, I thought it was just a mere wish. But after my conversation with Ejiro and the havoc Father causes in the mortuary, I am beginning to think otherwise.
What's on your mind?
What's on my mind? Emeka, what's on my mind?
Let me please! Daddy, please! Oh my God.
Hi. Hi. Emeka, I'd like for us to have a brief meeting. Martins can't do it. As you can see, I'm focused on the news. This will not affect you. I promise you I will not take your time. I hope it's all good. Yes. First of all, I want to say I'm sorry for all the troubles I have caused us. And also use this medium to give my consent to our father's burial. Martins,
You should be seeing all this while our father's corpse is present. Yes, but I don't have access to the corpse now. But you are in possession of the corpse, right? I lost the tally. Nothing's. Peradventure, you get to find the tally. Will you bring father's corpse home? Of course, yes. I will bring him home. That's if I find the tally. That's if you find the tally.
I will tell you all you need to know if I get a chance to see you again.
It has been like that for a very long time. Your phone is ringing. Yeah, let me take a call. Hey. Yeah, hello? Come. Yes, I'm on the line. Come on. What? Is there a problem? What was that look for?
I chose to be with you because I believe you are smart. But you just disappointed me.
What are you talking about?
What were you doing with him, smiling?
Who?
Emeka, of course.
Oh, come on. We just reconciled. Besides, he's my brother.
How foolish can you be? Someone who plotted with your late father and now plotting with the family lawyer to rip you off everything is now who you eat and dine with. Continue. Maybe he might just kill you and take everything since your father has been buried.
Are you forgetting who you're talking to? Don't worry.
Oh, please.
I can never be killed. Come on. You know Emeka now. He's not that heartless. Besides, he's a Jew man. I'm not worried.
Only the foolish trusts. If I were you, I'll be pushing for the will to be read instead of dining with my enemy.
Talk to her. How is she doing?
She's fine. She's fine. Okay, please don't wake her. She's sleeping and she will be needing something to eat when she wakes up.
Doctor, okay, let me just go get something for her to eat. You're sure she's okay?
Okay. Please, before you go, you will meet the accountant so that she will tell you how much you deposit for her treatment.
Doctor, you guys are always talking about money. How is she? She's fine. Fine, that's okay. Money's not the problem. Okay, let me go get something for her to eat.
It's alright.
You bury your papa in peace.
Oh, yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You know, everything just went like a miracle. You know? Thank you. I really appreciate you. But you traveled without telling me.
That one. They call me for village. Say my mama did die. I guess rush now. I guess go.
At least you would have informed me before you leave. Huh? You would have told me. You don't know if I want to come with you.
I don't want to worry you now. Why? No need.
Am I complaining?
You feel no complain, no. But you know, say, every malam, they carry their own kettle. No. So, I don't want to disturb you. Say, make I rush, go come.
It's okay, I understand. But next time, if something like this comes up, make sure you tell me before you go. Okay?
No wahala, no wahala. I'll tell you.
So tell me, how is your mom doing now?
Today,
I like that,
okay.
which is fine. It's okay.
Of all the troubles, I deserve rest.
You failed your obligation. There is no rest for the defaulter of the rules.
I did all I needed to do. It is not my fault. My children went into loggerhead.
Your children will have to suffer. Even the generation unborn.
I served in honesty, loyalty and truth. Is there no way this can pass away?
Except when all you had passes away.
And what is the condemnation?
Mystery, misfortune, adversity. The list goes on and on.
They have committed no crime to deserve such.
They defaulted. They will have to pay the price.
What to do?
So you have to stay here until you're healed.
Stay where?
Yeah.
For what? I get house now. What's I going to do for you?
Anything. You can't be doing anything.
I'm going to I get house.
Okay, fine. You have a home. Fine. Make here your second home. Huh?
Emeka.
Martins.
We need to talk.
Huh?
Now. We need to talk. Let's talk. I said we need to talk now. Eh? Follow me now.
Excuse me.
Emeka, what is it I cannot wait? Just one question. One simple question. When is the lawyer coming to read our father's will?
Oh, Martins, not again. Not again, Martins.
I don't have time for this long talk. Just go straight and answer the question.
Okay, fine. The lawyer traveled. I'll call him and know when he's coming. And when I get an answer for you, I will definitely call you.
Emeka, it should not exceed this week. This week! I have said my own.
fighting every day. Why can't we live together in peace? We are born to live together as one. What are we fighting for? Let's embrace peace and love one another. Stop calling for war. Let's embrace peace, love one another. Stop calling.
What's happening?
Nothing, everything is fine.
With the way your brother keep face like buff buff.
Who? Martins? Martins is just being Martins, that's it.
Don't say another make peace.
Ejiro, have you seen a madman before? Nothing can stop a madman from soliloquizing. So that's him. Come on, let's go inside. Alright, let's go inside. Alright, I'll help you with your drink, okay? I really know her. And I wish to marry her.
Okay, so have you discussed it with her?
No, not yet.
Why?
Because I don't want her to turn me down. If she does, I will not forgive myself.
Wait, hold on a sec. I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Well, actually, it is exactly what you are thinking.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, really.
Wait. So, you want to tell me that as old as you are, you've not gotten rid of that shyness? Huh?
I wish I can. I just wish I can.
You know what? I won't talk to her. You will have to do it yourself. Because you will definitely get married.
Yeah, definitely get married. And I'll try. With you, with your
With
help.
me?
Your help.
No way. You have to do it yourself.
No.
Come on, bro. You're a man.
Yeah, I know you won't do it for me, but you just have to try.
I won't help you.
Okay, you will help me, but you will
I won't
assist
help
me.
you.
No, you will assist
Please
me.
just go and get married though. What's all this one? Ejiro, so tell me. Do you like my brother?
Why you ask me that kind of thing?
I just want to know.
I've been saying you may go and ask me.
Not really. But even if he did, there's nothing wrong with that. That's because he likes you, right?
I don't know. I know if you answer. Now when I hear him from his mouth, now I go believe. I don't know.
Okay then, I'll leave that to the both of you. So tell me, how are you feeling today?
Better. At least I did better. Past the way I did it yesterday.
Okay, so what do I offer you?
Ejiro, I know you're going to frown at what I want to say. But I just have to say it the way it is.
Waiting with that.
Ejiro, I want you to quit this job. I mean, this job you're doing now, I want you to quit it. I want to get you a befitting job. I'll get a befitting job for you.
But I draw possible. Why you dey so concerned about me?
Because I care about you.
You don't dey see me finish. Now I wait to make you tell me make I quit my job.
Ejiro,
You don't dey see me finish.
Ejiro.
And I see finish make refuse bend.
Ejiro, the very first day I set my eyes on you, that very first day I saw you, I mean, I had this strong feeling, this strong bond, right? In fact, the truth is that I love you. I love you so much.
Kwemeka, I've been looking for you. Come on, don't let this bother you.
I just can't help it.
I understand perfectly. But in no time, she will be back.
When?
I just believe in a short while she will be back. You know she's naive and she loves you. Let's just wait and see the outcome.
I just hope she'll come back like you have said.
She will. Meanwhile, the barrister is in the living room. He needs your presence. Why are you changing to something else? I'll be with you shortly.
It's okay. I'll join you.
Alright.
Good day, everyone. As we know, I'm here to read Chiquita's will. But before then, there was a directive from Chiquita to read a note before we open these sealed documents. I have two documents with me. Here is the sealed one, which is the actual will of Chiquita's. And there's a little note here. It's an instruction from Chief Peter before he died. So I read. I, Chief Peter, on this day, 13th of August, 2016, drafted this note to serve a very important purpose. One Mrs. Ebony Stephen of Uke community in Ayimba North local government in Delta State has to be present before my will be read.
Nonsense. Arrant nonsense. My friend, open that will and read it now. Read it now!
Sorry, I can't do it. No, I can't. She has to be present here.
What's nonsense?
I don't even understand the game they are playing.
Well, I don't care. And I'm not having it this time. I swear to God, I will unleash the devil in me.
Mom, you're not even saying anything.
I feel we should just pretend and see what they have to unfold.
No, I am done pretending. I will declare war upon this household. I will not watch them take what rightfully belongs to me, Mother. I am done doing that.
Mom, you heard him. When he spits war, he means every bit of it.
Then you need to talk to him. Yes, talk to him. He can't continue fighting the unseen. My late husband was an unpredictable man. No one knows what he has in stock in that will until it is read. So I advise we maintain our cool. Please, for now, trust me. Trust what I can do. But just let us calm down for now, okay? Talk to him. Talk to him, please.
Who is she to our father that her presence is needed before his will can be read?
I truly can't say anything for now. But it can only mean one thing.
Which is?
That she is included in Father's will.
Why would a stranger take part in what our father left behind?
Gina, at this point, I don't think we should call her a stranger until we find her.
So, how do we go about it?
Anyway, but we must find her. It's okay. Everything's going to be fine. Everything's going to be fine. We need to find her. I will not fall for that fallacy you and the family lawyer cooked up. Nothing's in here. Sometimes I wonder if we're products of same semen. Dude, I keep wondering, why are you so myopic in thinking? Oh, you think I'll go to the lawyer without you? That's going to the lawyer telling him to make up things in my favor. No, I won't do that. You could actually do us, Emeka. No matter how you make this look, how believable you make it sound, I will not fall for it. My bro, I have achieved a lot in life, unlike you. So I can stand strong, with or without what father left behind. Yeah. Then let it go. No. Father has a will, and that will must be read.
Why can't we live together in peace? We are born to live together as one. What are we fighting for? Let's embrace peace.
What are you up to, Barrister Ken?
What are you talking about?
What conspiracy is going on between you and my stepson?
Everyone does not necessarily have to be you, madam.
I take that as an insult.
You insulted my profession first.
How juicy is his offer? I can double it.
Go ahead. I can do your bidding.
What did he offer you?
Selflessness, equity, justice and fairness. He only wants Father's will to be read the way it is.
You are just a joke.
You're a bigger one. Excuse me. Excuse me.
I went to your house. I didn't see you, so I decided to come here.
I hear I did. You're welcome.
The other time you left without saying a word.
Because I don't get what I want to tell you now.
And now?
I don't just know. I don't know. I don't know what. I don't know what I love with this. I mean, the kind of feelings why they get when me and you dey. They confuse me. I don't understand them. Whenever they show that I love, I think something else. I don't know.
Hey, Drew. Why not give that feelings a chance? Because that's the same way I feel about you too. Give it a chance.
How you think me say that? What say they feel now? They feel. You know what say they feel?
I can feel it.
I will need time, Mom. Give me time. I need better time. I mean, you know what? Give me time.
No, I will. Why not? As long as that time is not going to be too long.
Not too long. I'll be sure.
I'll be back before you know it, don't worry. Okay? I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too.
That's alright. But I'll keep in touch. I promise I'll keep in touch.
Okay.
And you too, keep in touch.
I'll keep in touch.
Good.
Oh.
let's embrace peace. Love one another, stop calling for war. Hello, what is going on? Why are you fighting each other? Hello, why are you dragging? Why can't you agree to be one? Hello, what is going on? Why are you fighting each other? Hello, why are you dragging? Why can't you agree?
Young man, how are you?
Very well, ma. And you?
I'm good.
Okay.
Who are you looking for?
Ma, is this Madam Ebony Stevens' house? I mean, the compound.
That is me.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's good to meet you, ma.
May I help you?
My name is Emeka Peters.
Are you related to Namani Peters?
Yes, ma. That's my father.
Please, leave my compound immediately.
Please, I just want...
You're still talking to me. Just wait.
Father, please, I just wanted to find out something from you. Please. She chased me away immediately she heard me mention father's name.
Why? Did she recognize our father?
If she didn't recognize his name, she wouldn't have acted the way she did.
So, what do we do now?
I think all we need to do is to find a way. Find a way to make her talk to us. Tell us the connection or how she knows father. I mean, what's the connection between both of them?
In that case, I think we should get the barrister involved.
Definitely the barrister must be involved. Let me call him right away.
Oh, okay.
Mama, what is it? Why are you looking downcast? What is it?
Some people are trying to remind me of something I have forgotten.
Remind you of something you've forgotten. What is that?
Please, call your friend. Tell her I would like to see her.
You want her to come back?
Yes. I need to tell her something she needs to know.
Okay, Mama. I'll call her.
Thank you.
I call this meeting because I believe we are one. I believe we're one happy family, despite our differences. I am as bothered as every one of us that Father's will has not been read. And that is why I invested so much time to make sure that his will has been read. So yesterday I took out time to trace the woman Father mentioned in his will. When I saw her, she wouldn't let me speak at the mention of Father's name.
How's that my business?
Martins, please. We're a family. This is not the time for this. This is the time for us to come together as a family. Come on. Let us look for a way to meet this woman. Talk to her and calm her down so she can speak to us and tell us the connection she has with our late father.
Listen, Emeka. These things you're saying now does not. It does not affect my peace in any way. Huh? I don't see any reason why you should be bothering us with this. After all, you're my elder brother. Yes, you can handle this. It's nothing to you. So why get us involved?
This is time for us to come together. This is when we're supposed to put this effort, this togetherness, to make sure that we achieve this one goal. Please, I'm begging you.
Are they outside?
And you're not talking.
What did she say? She said she's not coming. That you should tell her whatever it is over the phone. Please. Please. You need to call her. Talk to her. Tell her she should come home. That I said I'm really, really sorry. Please. It's okay, Mama. Please, you don't have to cry. I'll talk to her. Please. Please, Mama. I'll talk to her. Please, don't cry. Don't cry, please. Mama, please, don't cry, please. I'll talk to her. Please.
The punishment is heavy. I can feel it. It's going to wipe out my lineage. I'm here to plead on their behalf. Please tamper justice with mercy.
There are rules made to be unbroken. Your children defaulted the wish of the great Ududu.
Reason I'm here to pay their price.
What has the dead got to offer? What? It is only the living that can pay the price.
I will sacrifice the 7 lives of my 7 reincarnation. Please don't wipe out my lineage.
Chief Peter, you paid the price while you were still alive. Your children, they are all adults. Let them take their responsibilities.
Odudu! I will be back.
So Mama called me. She said she wants to see me. She wants to tell me who be my papa.
Whoa, that's good news. Good news. Oh, so when are you going?
Go where? Where they get anyway?
Ejiro, I thought this is what you have always wanted, to know who your father is.
No. That's what she did do. She just wants to see me. If I go there now, she don't tell me anything.
Ejiro, but this is not enough reason for you not to honor your mother's invitation. You know that, right?
But things I don't want to go now. Why they force me? Yeah? I know they go.
It's okay, but I think you should just calm down, think over the whole thing. I think you'll change your mind. Think about it. You'll change your mind.
I want to hear you.
Good.
Voila.
Good.
How your sister be?
Oh, she just stepped out. It's not been too long.
Mm.
Yeah, I believe she won't take time. She'll be back.
Okay. Mama. Mama. Mama! Mama!
Nigerian, please take it easy.
Mama.
You need to go back there.
I don't think I want to go back there. You need to see this woman. I saw fire in this woman's eyes. Gina, I believe Father must have offended that woman badly. Yes.
I understand that part very well. In that case, I will have to talk to Barrister to accompany you there.
And you think that is going to be, guarantee your safety?
It's better than you going alone.
I think you're right. So when are we going?
Many years ago, I left the village and went to the city for greener pastures. After weeks of looking for a job, I finally found a job in a young billionaire's house as a chef. For years, I lived there. It was a wonderful experience until one fateful day. Everyone had left the house except me. So I decided to sleep in the sitting room. And then my master came back alone in the night without his wife. Weeks later, I found out I was pregnant. I told him, and he said his enemies had sent me to destroy his home. He threw me out, sent me packing, sent me into the streets with nothing. I had no one to go to. I couldn't even go home because I was ashamed of my condition. I roamed the streets looking for food. It is only God that has brought us this far. I am very, very grateful to him. I was alone. I had no one. I was scared. I was hungry. I was cold.
I'm sorry. Now I know why you didn't want to tell me. I'm sorry for reopening your old wound. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Who are you?
Odudu, the messenger of wealth and death.
I don't have any business with you.
You are my business. Everything you have, I give to you. You sabotaged the wish of my son. You will pay the ultimate price.
You again?
Mama, please.
Please.
Sorry.
What are you doing in my compound?
Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. Please, ma.
Sorry. Sorry for what?
Mama, please, just hear.
No. Listen, I am not interested in what you have to say. Let him get out of my compound, please.
I know you're hot, Mama.
You know what? What do you know? No, what do you know? Leave my compound.
Emeka.
Stop. You know him? Mom! Somebody help me! Mom! Somebody help! Mom!
Where's my mother?
She's here.
Mommy! Mommy! What happened to her? Mommy, please wake up! Mommy! Mommy! Mama, please, I'm begging you, please. Oh, sorry, ma. Please, I know what happened. There's something you can't forget easily. I share in your pain. I mean, I had somewhere going today, but I had to come here because of this. Please, I beg you.
I had to beg him to come with me, Drew. Please talk to your mom, please.
We're sorry.
Sorry, ma. I'm sorry, ma.
This is my will. Dear Ebony, I feel terrible for what I made you go through, which I can no longer reverse. I can only compensate you for what I made you go through and ask for your forgiveness, today being the 13th of October, 2017. I made an adjustment to my will after due consideration. Emeka, Martins, Gina, and Cecilia, I gave you all more than enough in my lifetime. I made you all stand independently, but one of my offspring spent the valuable time of his or her life in misery and poverty. So I hereby will all my assets to Ebony and her child.
You see? That's a lie. That's a fucking lie! Barrister, go through that wheel and bring the damn thing again! Where the hell do you think you're going? Where?
You have taken enough.
You don't draw boundaries for me.
The ones you took are the defaulters. No one else deserves to die.
I will wipe your entire family.
You will do no such thing, Odudu.
Then challenge me.
You will do no such thing, Odudu.
Then challenge me.
Odudu!
So cheers to
A happy family, a great reunion, to love.
cheers.
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 Cheers. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Sorry.
It's sweet though.
Yeah.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Hey, stop posting for free. Your videos are worth millions. That's right. Every view, every like, every share on your videos should pay you. At Forever MCN, Africa's #1 YouTube partner, we turn your creativity into cash flow. From YouTube to TikTok to Facebook, we handle the stress while you watch your money grow. Creators working with us are already cashing out, some earning millions just by doing what they love. With channel monetization, brand deals, translation into different languages, and video protection from illegal use, we make sure you win. Don't just create for fun. Let your creation earn you lots of money. Join our Forever MCN today. Start by sending an email to marketing@forever.com or call +234 816 992 5722. You can also visit our website mbi247.com. Our Forever MCN, your home of content creators.
Fighting every day. Why can't we live together in peace? We are born to live together as one. What are we fighting for? Let's embrace peace.